Hey everyone, welcome to another video on the Great Street Bridge Replacement Project Stockport. So you can see here the waterproofing is taking place. The blue section on the right is the waterproofing membrane stroke system. I'm not too sure what it is, but I'm guessing that is going the entire width of the bridge deck eventually. Now we're looking at the section between the new bridge and the old existing road, just over the top of the Armoury pub here. So as you can see there, quite a big difference from the last video. Got quite a bit of the lower deck in place, ready to bring everything up to road level eventually. And view here looking towards the railway station, just bringing the drone back in the direction of Edgeley Park. Decent progress taking place. So we'll keep an eye on the project, probably do a video every couple of weeks, weather permitting. If this is the first video you've seen on the project, do check out the playlist so you can see it from the very beginning in March, and I'll catch you again in the next one. Thanks everyone.